Today nothing introduced its first smartphone under the affordable CMF brand. CMF Phone 1. Alongside the CMF Watch Pro 2 and CMF Buds Pro 2, CMF Phone 1 will start from 15,999 Indian rupees for a 6/128GB version that will be exclusive to India. An 8/128GB option will be available in every market. The CMF Phone 1 comes in a USB Type-C to Type-C cable and a SIM ejector tool styled in the CMF colors inside the box. And it's come with 4 colors. Orange and blue colors will have a vegan leather back, whereas black and green will have textured plastic back. You can replace your CMF Phone 1 back with any other back cover. Nothing CMF Phone 1 accessories. The CMF Phone 1 will feature a dual rear camera setup, Sony 50MP main camera with an f/1.8 lens. It includes a 2x in-sensor zoom and a secondary portrait sensor. The phone is featuring a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a centerline punch hole cutout. It will offer an FHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, a peak brightness of 2000 nits, and HDR10 Plus support. With an in-display fingerprint sensor, the handset powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and an additional 8GB of virtual RAM and 28GB storage. It includes a microSD card slot for expandable storage. With Android 14 operating system with 3 years of security patches and 2 years of OS upgrades, the phone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, with support for 33W fast wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.